Guys, this is a follow-up to my magic mesh. This was the screen repair tape that I bought at Walmart. Oh, this was probably a year ago. I made a video, and everybody keeps telling me that they don't have any sticky part on the back of theirs. So let me show you why. Okay, you see right here, this is the part. This part, there's a film here. You've got to pull that film off. And you got to pull it off in a way that you don't rip. You don't take the sticky part with it. Let me show you. Okay, you see right there? So the film part's on my left. Then the sticky part's right here in the middle. And there's the screen. Now, if you're ripping this back film off fast, you're going to take the sticky part with it, and then all you're going to have left is the screen mesh. So I think I just solved the problem here, because when the first couple pieces I put down was fine, and then I was doing the same thing like you guys were. I was ripping the sticky off with the film. So just be very, very careful. Get your fingernail under there and be really careful and try to just get that back film and not take the sticky part with it. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Love yourself and others, and stay tuned for more.